Hello and welcome to the Starman Garden. In the greenhouse at the moment it's about 45 degrees centigrade. It's rather sweaty, but these little beauties love the heat. As you can see, we've got a rather decent crop this year, and that's just off the 5 plants. It's basically all that I could fit in this greenhouse. It's rather small, 6x4. So yes, tomatoes are doing very well. If we move along into Cucumber Alley, as we can see, the cucumbers are climbing very well. Plenty of fruit. They're actually eating off these flowers at the moment. So that one's about 10 to 11 inches long at the moment. I'll leave that one for another day or two. It'll probably be a foot long. Very juicy, very nice. This is a self-setting bean from last year. No, that's not my hand, that's a glove. As you can see, doing very well. Lettuces are doing very well as well. You can see off our dwarf beans, plenty of fruit on there. Outside tomatoes, and again a recently sowed crop of radishes. Looking at the main cluster of beans now. I'm actually blanching and freezing at the moment, so sweet potatoes are starting to climb up as well. Been very lucky this year with the heat. If we'd have dropped below 10, I doubt very much where these plants would have survived. Sweet potatoes are very delicate to frost and cool conditions, so it's not wise to grow them in the UK in this sector. However, I took a risk and it's paid off so far this year. They should be ready for harvest around about September. Again, a couple of ground cucumbers that I place on the ground and just let them shoot across. As you can see, that's also producing a good healthy crop, and alongside those we've also planted some more bush beans that are producing very nice. Have a look at our hearts on our cabbage. They're filling up quite nice, and there's 3 or 4 winter brassicas there. Those will be ready in about October, November time. So yes, all in all, we're doing very well this year. That's a look down the garden as we look. So until the next update, stay safe everyone. Look after each other, and most of all, be healthy.